Let me show you how you can install your inverter. The inverter with your solar panel and with your battery. Just you take a look and you can as well listen as well. First, to have your inverter, which is this. As you can see, this one is 3000 watts. I also have 2000 watts here, but the one we may do it here is 3000 watts. So your 3000 watts, you have your terminals, which is your positive, and this is the negative. As you can see, the negative. We have main switch. This one is also a breaker in such a way that if there's any leakage, it can as well return. But now it is engaged now. We also have our solar charger controller. We have some connections here. This is from main switch down to the inverter, so that it can be controlled if there's any issue at hand. This one we decide to use this kind of switch. In this switch, there's a water pump here, there's lights, and other gadgets that it controls. So this is all about the inverter. This is the battery. As you can see, the battery, you also have a negative terminal and positive terminal. The battery is return to the battery terminal of the solar charger controller. This one is from the solar panel, which I will show after show in this session 2. This is the solar panel terminal where it will be connected. Of course, you can see it's already connected here. This is the load. You may not do with the load. Okay. So now the load, as I said before, you don't have to join it with the load for now. But the battery, what you may do with is the battery terminal and the solar terminals. Okay. For you to make a maximum use of your energy, as in your battery producing a voltage, or if I may call it, you don't have to go through AC gadgets or AC consuming gadgets. You may have to do with DC. If you are putting anything, make sure you're having DC whatever, DC lights, DC fridge, DC water heater, DC water pump, so that your voltage, your energy will last long for you. If you come with your AC consuming gadgets, that means you have to first of all convert it again down to DC. So in that essence, there will not be a need for you to bring AC again. Just bring direct current, which is DC, and plug direct. In that form, you're able to save some energy from your battery, and in that way it can last long for you. Okay, so a recap on what I just said. You have your inverter here, you have your solar charger controller, you have your 60 amps circuit breaker. We also use it as a cutout. You can short out the whole system. I think let's take a look at the solar panel up. Let's take a look at the solar panel. It will be installed. It has a positive and negative. So if you decide to connect in series or in parallel, of course I am still going to treat the connection as the type of connection, the series connection and the parallel connection, maybe in my next video. Anyway, it's the same connection if you are connecting on 2000 watts, 3000 watts, in any form you want to connect, is same connection. You can also drop your comments for me so that I will know how the understanding you got from this, or if any way I can be of assistance to you. Thank you and remain blessed.